Most drivers think an oil change is the end of maintenance, but that's where the real work begins. You see, every time you replace your oil, there are a few crucial steps you need to take afterward to make sure your engine actually benefits from it. Skip these steps, and that fresh oil you just poured in could be doing almost nothing. Think of it this way. Would you install a brand new heart and then forget to connect the arteries? That's what happens when you ignore post-oil change steps. Whether you drive a 20-year-old beater or a brand new turbocharged ride, these habits can make the difference between an engine that feels brand new and one that slowly grinds itself to death. So today, we're revealing 10 essential things you must do right after an oil change to keep your engine smooth, efficient, and trouble-free. From simple checks most people skip to insider tricks only seasoned mechanics know. This video might just add years to your car's life. Let's get into it. Number 1. Always check your oil level after starting the engine. After you pour in new oil and replace the filter, don't just call it a day. Start your engine and let it run for 30 to 60 seconds. This allows oil to circulate through the system and fill the new filter. Then shut off the engine, wait 2 minutes, and check the dipstick again. You'll almost always find the level has dropped slightly. That's normal because the oil has now filled every passage. Top it up to the full mark if needed. Many drivers forget this final check, leaving their engines running slightly low on oil, which increases wear and reduces efficiency over time. It's a simple 2-minute step that guarantees your engine gets the right amount of lubrication from day one. Number 2. Reset the oil change light properly. Modern cars use oil life monitoring systems that calculate oil degradation based on driving conditions, not just mileage. After changing oil, always reset the system. It's not automatic. Check your owner's manual or search your car's make and model plus oil reset procedure. If you don't reset it, your car might either warn you too soon or much too late about the next oil change. Worse, ignoring this could void your warranty if service intervals aren't tracked correctly. This step keeps your maintenance schedule accurate and ensures your engine always gets fresh oil on time. Number 3. Inspect for leaks right away. Once your engine is running, take a flashlight and inspect around the oil filter and drain plug. If you see even a small drip, tighten it carefully, but don't overdo it. A few drops might seem harmless now, but that slow leak could lead to oil starvation after a few thousand miles. It's a small thing most people ignore until their dashboard light flickers red. Pro tip: place a piece of cardboard under the car overnight. If you find fresh oil spots in the morning, you've got a leak that needs immediate attention. Catching it early can save you an entire engine replacement. Number 4. Clean around the oil cap and engine bay. When changing oil, drips and residue can collect around the oil cap or valve cover. Leaving them there can attract dust, which eventually makes its way into the oil fill area. Always wipe the area clean after you're done. Also, make sure the oil cap is tightly sealed. A loose cap can cause pressure loss and trigger the check engine light. This small cleaning habit also helps you visually detect any new leaks later, since your engine bay stays clean enough to spot them early. Number 5. Check your air filter while you're at it. An oil change is the perfect time to inspect your air filter. Dirty air filters let debris and dust into your engine, contaminating your new oil faster. A clean air filter improves both performance and fuel economy. Simply pop open the air box, remove the filter, and hold it up to the light. If you can't see through it, it's time to replace it. Think of it as protecting your fresh oil investment. Even high-quality synthetic oil won't last long if your air filter is choking the engine. Number 6. Double-check the oil type. Many engines are designed for a specific oil viscosity, like 0W-20 or 5W-30. Using the wrong type can cause internal wear, poor fuel economy, or even timing chain noise. Before starting your car, verify that you use the manufacturer-recommended grade. It's usually printed right on the oil cap or in the manual. If you're unsure, check the service receipt or oil container. This one mistake can ruin thousands of dollars in engine parts. Never assume thicker oil is better. Always match what your engine was built for. Number 7. Monitor oil pressure and warning lights. After an oil change, your dashboard might briefly flash the oil pressure light. That's normal for the first few seconds. But if it stays on, shut off your engine immediately. That means oil isn't circulating properly, possibly due to a loose filter, an airlock, or low oil level. Restart only after rechecking. Driving with low oil pressure for even a minute can cause irreversible damage to bearings and camshafts. It's one of the most ignored but critical steps after an oil change. Number 8. Take a short test drive. Drive your car gently for about 10 to 15 minutes after every oil change. Listen for odd noises, ticking, knocking, or whining. These sounds can indicate air bubbles in the oil system or low pressure. During the drive, the new oil fully coats internal components, flushing out any residue left behind. When you return, park on level ground and recheck the oil level once more. This ensures the system is properly filled and stabilized. It's like breaking in the new oil for maximum protection. Number 9. Check other fluids. An oil change session is the best time to inspect everything else. Coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, and power steering fluid. Fresh oil helps your engine, but old, degraded fluids in other systems can still ruin performance or cause failures. For example, low coolant can make your engine overheat and cook your brand new oil. Keep all fluids topped off to ensure the whole system runs in harmony. Think of it as giving your car a mini health checkup every oil change. Number 10, record the date and mileage, and keep receipts. This might sound like a small detail, but it's a huge deal in the long run. Always record the date, mileage, oil brand, and viscosity after every oil change. This gives you a precise maintenance timeline so you'll never second guess when your next service is due. Plus, keeping receipts or photos of the oil container can protect you during warranty claims. It's proof you use the right oil at the right intervals. Many car owners skip this simple habit and later regret it when dealers deny repairs due to improper maintenance. Treat your car like an investment, not a disposable tool. A 20-second note in your phone can literally add years to your engine's life. And there you have it. 10 things you should always do after an oil change if you want your engine to run like new for hundreds of thousands of miles. These steps take less than 30 minutes, but the rewards, smooth performance, fewer breakdowns, and a car that feels brand new every time you hit the gas. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, share it with your car-loving friends, and subscribe to Car Care. Car Care Expert for more insider secrets mechanics don't want you to know. Your car takes care of you every day. It's time you return the favor. Keep driving smart, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.